Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. So in this video today we'll see how you can delete your backup files from a course. Okay, suppose this is a course, in my case the test course for design, and here I have the backups like the backup may be the private backup, the course backup, and some automated backup. Okay, so inside this course I can see these kind of backup we have, and in case you want to delete this backup or you have to rename it or you have to make adjustment around this file system, then how you can do that? Okay, for this you can see here the section wise manage backup files button. Okay, so this button is for this particular section. Now you have this section, and this button is associated with this section. Same for the course backup area and this manage backup files. Okay, so let me start with how you can clean up your private backup area. So I will click on this manage backup file, and you can see the two backups here that is coming, and you can if you want to delete this, you can delete this one. Okay, so in case you want to rename it, you'll have to click on it and you can rename it. You can put your name, more readable form, then you can update. And yes, in case of either of operation you perform here, you will have to click on these save changes, otherwise your changes will be lost. Okay, so same for this one also. Suppose I have this, I have to delete this one. Okay, yes, so this is 19th September backup, and we have this. So I want to delete this one, 21st March one. Okay, so here I will click on this and I will click on this list, and you can see this backup is of March 21st March, and I have to delete one. So I will simply check this one and I will click on delete. If I click OK, my file will disappear from here. Then the last step, I will have to click here on the save changes. So then only you will see that particular date backup is gone from here. Okay, so same way we have this backup, private area backup. You can also delete this one. Okay, so I have to delete the most folder one, then I can simply select here and delete. Okay, so in case you have to rename it, let me try renaming this one, and you can simply come here and change the name. Okay, let's see, new name, update. So these changes will not be applicable. This is not enough step. You will have to click here save changes to make it applicable here. Now you can see this is your new file name. You can download here. Okay, so backup you can also download from here. In case I want to download, I will have to click here. You can also restore the backup within these elements itself, but in case you have to import somewhere else, you'll have to download here, then you can import them. Okay, so this video was around this, how you can manage your backup file. So that's it. Thank you for watching.